What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Wiper, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. In today's video, we're gonna do guess who has the most body count. Fresh. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Wiper, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. In today's video, we're gonna guess the person's body count. You know what I'm saying? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gentlemen in the building, and we got one lady. You know what I'm saying? So she gonna come up, and I'm gonna give her the numbers, and she basically gonna assign these numbers to each person. All right. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to the video.
Ramen noodles.
Step up, right? Step up.
Yo, forward man, they think about that.
Okay. I feel like for you, I ain't gonna put you on the spot. Your body count is giving me like you can step back. Oh, you want to ask me why I think that?
Matter of fact, yeah, why do you think that?
Cause your obsession with ramen noodles. Okay. Plus, you dance like Jackie Jam. Next, yeah. Let's see this one. 5.
Oh, you feel like this is the right number?
I don't know. You're giving me.
Straight up.
You took the words right out of my mouth. Not really straight dog, but that's the vibe I'm getting. I'm very blunt, so I'm gonna just tell you what it is. Very much straight dog. That's it.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Alright.
Danger, 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 danger. Okay. Really, this should say like, I ain't gonna lie, I'll probably, cause I know you. It's supposed to be. It's not supposed to be 8. It's supposed to be like. I'm gonna give you like a cool 25. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this does look like your number. But you sweet on the way how your word, just from out there, your word, and you got that little tad bit. Where's Waldo? I'm gonna give you 10. Only because your presentation right now. Minus the hat, and you might as well have put on that puffer jacket you had. Yeah, you're giving me very much that.
Why you feel like that?
And I just looked inside your mouth, that little. You got that. And on top of that, there's hair on your motherfucking hat, too. There you go. You got more on the other side, but I'm going to do that.
Alright, so turn this way to the camera. So how much you think you got right?
I'd probably say like 2.
Alright, everybody if she got you right, don't look. If she got you right, raise your hand. Alright, y'all switch to your right numbers.
I know they lying like shit right now. See, I can already see from her face. It's already telling me the fucking answer.
When y'all come back up, make sure y'all say y'all number and then the number that she gave you, alright?
Y'all can lie, it's okay.
Alright, so turn my around. So you can call you got everybody wrong, so go ahead.
Sweetie, I know that's a fucking lie.
Call up the first person.
The first person that I picked?
Yeah.
Ramen noodles.
Yeah, Ryan. Is it me? So
Ryan, let me stop.
What number she gave you?
she give me number 1.
Yeah, what number you is?
Well, I'm right 5 for this now. I could have 4, but I'm just I'm 5. Whatever, 5. It
So you can still count it on your
Yeah,
hand?
just count it,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
That's not bad. That's good.
Alright.
Stray dog. What's your name again? What's your name?
Yo, straight out.
What's your name?
Tell the girl the name, brother.
Me, I talk to you, not him. Me. What's your name? Star. Okay. And what is that your actual in the real world?
Oh, say he get him right. I think. Yeah.
No. I
which
gave
number
him
she
5.
Oh, 5. Okay. So why you choose number 5? So he got 8.
I told you. Stray dog.
Alright, yeah.
You need a 0 probably at the end.
1. I'm a good child. Don't listen to what people say about me. I'm a good child. I promise.
First time. So it don't.
Yo,
I already know one of your ex-girlfriends, so.
Alright, yo. We're done.
Next. See you last dog for last. Oh, no,
Yeah, you last. I know your shit probably like another 0. Cause your wording, you soft with the words, you little real play with the word. Big P.
I was number 10.
He had 10. But I gave you what, 8?
8, yeah.
It wasn't 8, the actual number, but yeah.
That was the 4.
I mean, you still have hair on you.
Huh? I got what? Don't come on, man. The number is 8.
100. You 80, 800. I found hair on him. What you mean?
We gonna cut this out. We gonna cut this part out, right?
It's okay.
You think all of them lying? Or that's the real number?
I feel like they all lying, but it's okay. That's good. I'm not gonna lie. That's very good. How old are you? Oh, that's good. So you ain't had 8 bodies in your 30 years of being on this God green earth. How many relationships you been in? Okay. Longest relationship? 5 years? Okay, you good. Your longest relationship? How many relationships you been in? Nossa, não trade number. Really? You supposed to follow under. Who's older? Okay, you should have followed under his footsteps. What? Yeah, of course. You taller, you shorter.
Goddamn, nigga. -5
How many relationships you been in?
-5.
1, okay. And how long were you in that relationship for?
2 weeks.
That girl gonna see this, and that's your ass.
7 months.
Okay.
7 months.
Danger.
Longest relationship?
Yes.
4.
4. How many relationships you been in? You can lie.
Alright,
But I gotta watch your name, right? Gotta watch your name.
How many?
Well, Carl.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many relationships you been in?
No, real relationship.
I didn't know this was part of the video, fam. This is
Real relationship. I say 2.
He fucked it up for y'all. That's why I asked that. And longest relationship.
About 8 months. 8 months? But y'all thought
I gave him the right number. I gave you 800 for a reason. I see why.
What you mean, why?
Why? 8 months? How old are you?
24.
God damn.
What you mean, goddamn? What y'all? How old y'all?
Damn. You sad.
Damn, what is damn?
I do got one more question. Yeah, I'm gonna start on you since I was already. Damn. It was a question I asked other people. How would you plan your first date?
Boom. See, I'm simple with it, but I ain't gonna lie. I might take you down to the beach and shit. Yeah, I'm really simple like that.
What if she's lactose intolerant?
Just fuck.
Boom.
Yeah.
Yeah, you feel me? Catch a vibe.
Okay. Now, Victor, I got a different question for you. Do you believe in a relationship it should be 50-50?
Regarding what?
Anything. In your relationship.
Money, brother, money.
Money, say I thought, no.
Money, brother.
If it's my wife we're talking about, my wife is
I said
not-
relationship.
Relationship?
I would have said your spouse. Your
spouse?
wife.
My wife.
I'm talking about your girlfriend.
Girlfriend. Depending on how deep the relationship is.
Wife, brother.
No. She said
girlfriend. Wife.
She said girlfriend. Nigga.
I said
So
girlfriend.
depending on how deep, how many
Keep sipping that water.
invested I am into it.
Might know our business.
Woman forget things.
Okay.
Next.
You have a bus gun?
What do you mean? Know what do you mean? Yo, you know nothing, man? Stay there. Right now, the man.
No, not everybody. Okay.
Shut up, you boy.
Do you play sports?
No.
So why you got these compression tights?
I thought you were cool. I thought you were cool, brother. But
Mind your business. No, I already asked you your question because you over there.
How can I fool in this question?
I mean, what you want me to ask you?
You can't ask me anything.
Dog, she asked anything.
Exactly. You now.
No, you finish me first.
I already did. I really wanted to know why he had the. I really wanted to know why he had on the compression tights. That's for really when you're playing like sports and shit. That's why I asked, do you play any sports?
Anyways, past tense next, please.
Oi. Your question back? Anyways, you,
Yes.
how many Clarks do you own?
What is that?
How many Clarks do you own?
How many care?
Clarks.
Clarks.
Yeah, there.
Clarks, care.
Class.
Clarks. Shut up now. Shut up to me.
But you're not here.
You understand what she said while ago, yeah? She said Clarks.
Are you deaf you?
Me know because she said Clarks. Just a fuck her. Okay, but the question is how many Clarks, right? Alright.
Better yet, fuck that, because your ass keep on. How many sluts do you smoke a day?
You smoke weed.
Shut up your mouth.
The one guy said, praise the horse said.
24/7. That doesn't answer how many.
That's every day.
No, that's
How
not
much are they?
how much.
Can't say
A rough estimate.
Yeah, like a rough. That's fine.
20.
Realistically speaking,
20.
20. Yeah, 20 sound about right.
We'll say 20.
Don't tilt back now.
No, like, like I said, about 35.
Damn. I used to do that.
Because, you know, I roll a couple slips.
I'm saying no. That nigga probably take a shit, smoke, shower, smoke. I gotta eat. I'ma smoke before I eat. I need to drink a sip. That's it.
All right, that's too much talking about weed and drugs. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all like this video. You know what I'm saying?
And we did this before. That's why the hearing stuff was.
Make sure y'all like. We didn't do this before. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Black hair.
Not my number.
It's your boy Pree, and we out.